Next example. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you know? Find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed. Okay. Here we have to find the distance between the two towns. Points are let A equal to 0, 0. O is 0, 0. This is the origin. Next point, let P equal to 36, 15. We know distance between any 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 is 0, y1 is 0, x2 is 36, y2 is 15. Okay. x2 is 36 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 15 minus y1 is 0 whole square. 36 minus 0, 36 whole square plus 15 minus 0 is 15 whole square. 36 whole square is 12. 1296. 15 square is 225. Okay. 1296 plus 225. It is equal to root of 1521. Root of 1521 value is 39. Okay. Here distance is 39 units. Okay. Next example. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -3 are collinear. Okay. We know collinear. Collinear means 3 or more points lie on the same line. Okay. 3 or more points lie on the same line is called collinear. Okay. Here given points are let A 1, 5, B 2, 3, C -2, -11. Okay. A, B, if A, B, C are collinear. So these 3 points lie on the same line. A, B, C. Okay. Here AB, distance between AB plus BC. AB plus BC which is equal to AC. Okay. This distance plus this distance equal to this total distance AC. Okay. In collinear, sum of minimum distances equal to maximum distance. Okay. Let's check AB. AB equal to root of here x1, these are x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 5 whole square which is equal to 2 minus 1 1 square, 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square. 1 square is 1 minus 2 square is 4 which is equal to root of 5. Okay. AB equal to root 5. Next BC. Here x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 3, x2 is -2, y2 equal to -11. Okay. x2 -2 minus x1 is 2 whole square minus y2 is -11 minus y1 is 3 whole square. -2 -2 -4 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 minus 15 whole square. Minus 4 whole square is 16. 15 square is 225. See, minus 11 minus 3, this minus 14. Minus 14 whole square is 196. 196 plus 16, which is equal to 212. Okay. Here BC equal to root of 212 units. Next, AC. Distance between A and C, which is equal to root of x2 is minus 2 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus y2 is minus 11 minus y1 is 5 whole square. Okay, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 minus 16 whole square. Minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 16 whole square is 256. Okay, which is equal to 265. See, here maximum distance is root of 265, which is equal to minimum distances root 5 plus root of 212. Okay, here minimum distances, sum of minimum distances are not equal to maximum distance. Okay, here AB plus BC not equal to AC. So these 3 points are not collinear. Okay, these 3 points are not lie on the same line.